morning, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Campus Chronicles, where I, Priyanshi Kumari of Class 9th, the reporter for this week's edition of Campus Chronicles, will give you the insight of all the happenings in the school campus. With me, you will embark on a thrilling and fun-filled journey of the school highlights and will get a lot of inside scoop on all the action-packed events of this week. At MSPS, where creativity and learning comes alive, inspiring classroom moments and innovative and exciting extracurricular activities by the talented students help to build teamwork and develop the skills. In this series, an interesting show and tell competition was held for the pre-primary classes. Intra-class show and tell competition is a platform where the little learners are portraying their talent through creative skills. They participated enthusiastically and were eager to show their talent, expressing their thoughts in their words have the power to inspire, and young voices bring those words to life with innocence and confidence. The delightful moments captured from the intra-class English poem recitation competition of classes 1st and 2nd reflects not only their love for poetry but also their grooving self-expression. Through expressive recitation, clear pronunciation, and joyful enthusiasm, our young learners beautifully showcase their language skills and creativity. Their innocent voices, expressive gestures, and cheerful smiles made each performance truly delightful and inspiring. Every participant displayed remarkable enthusiasm, courage, and communication skills, making the event both inspiring and memorable. When young minds speak with confidence, every argument becomes an opportunity to learn. A debate is more than an exchange of words. It is a celebration of ideas, logic, and confidence. A confident voice, a thoughtful mind, and the courage to express an opinion. These are the qualities that every debate nurtures. Students from classes 3rd to 5th participated in inter-house English debate competition. Students from classes 3rd to 5th participated in intra-house Hindi debate competition, where they confidently expressed their views, presented well-reasoned arguments, and showcased the richness of Hindi language. Every memorable celebration is the result of sincere efforts, dedication, and teamwork. As our school prepares to celebrate Independence Day, the campus resonates with the spirit of patriotism and enthusiasm.
The pre-primary block was also brimming with activity, as the parents were curious to know about the progress of their wards in grade evaluation 1. The little ones are always cool and relaxed. Every report card tells a story, but every conversation between parents and teachers help to shape the next chapter of a child's success. The parent-teacher meeting for term 1 and unit test 1 reflected the school's shared commitment to academic excellence and holistic development of every learner.
Another event was organized by Sangam Kala Group Bareilly, chapter in association with Mother of India Public School. The theme was Hindi Filmi Song. The program began the floral tribute to Ma Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge and learning.
सोलर की जो कॉन्सोलेशन प्राइज के लिए यहाँ चयनित की गई है आ जाए और
All the participants were duly praised by the judges, and top 3 participants in each category were rewarded trophies and certificates. Such a platform are ideal for the music lovers and gives them a chance to up their talent.
आ जाए प्लीज। Please welcome Tanshika. Please welcome.
The program was conducted in different categories, which included kids group for 5 to 12 years, teenagers group for 13 to 19 years, youngsters for 20 to 35 years, and adults group for 36 to 55 years.
Very good.
The program provided an excellent platform for showcasing the singing talent of various age groups. It was filled with melodious performances by all the participants, and the entire event was surrounded by heartfelt melodies.